Example number 13. A hexagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis height 60 mm long is resting with its base on HP, and one of its base edges is parallel to VP. It is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degrees to VP and 25 mm away from the apex. Draw the projections of the remaining pyramid. This is a very similar question to the previous question. There is same hexagonal pyramid directly resting with its base on HP, and one of the base edges parallel to VP. So the top view will be a hexagon and the front view will contain triangle. Now the important point is the cutting plane is inclined to VP. So we are having an inclined cutting plane with respect to VP, and it is being 25 mm away from the apex. So we will see now first how to imagine this. So here you can observe the hexagonal pyramid. One of the base edges is parallel to VP, as you can see, and here the cutting plane is given parallel to VP, not parallel to VP, inclined to VP. So first we will assume that it is parallel to VP. So if the cutting plane is parallel, it will look something like this. In this position, the cutting plane is parallel to VP. As you can see, I'll just make it somewhat inside the solid, penetrate into the solid. So if this is parallel, it will look something like this. But here in our question, it is inclined to VP, not parallel. So I just need to tilt the section plane with respect to VP in such a way that it should make an inclination angle of 30 degrees with respect to VP. Now observe the section plane here. I am tilting it. So okay, I'll just first take the angle and I will place the section plane now here at our nearest edge because it is visible to us. We can take this backside also, but we should, as a common sense, we should take this cutting plane in front of us so that we will get the sectional front view. Now you see that I am in from the top when the section is being cutting the solid, some portion has been getting removed, and you can observe it right now here. So in the front view, you can find the removed portion which is appearing as a small triangle there. We will get hatching lines on that portion. So this is the final solution which we have to draw in the drawing sheet.
As we have seen that the base edge is parallel to VP, I will draw the straight line first in this fashion and then I will complete the hexagon, which will be our again the projection lines to get the front view. Again, similar to the last question, I am just drawing first the corners. Marking points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, apex O dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and 6 dash. This is a little bit tricky because in this question it is mentioned that the cutting plane is inclined at 30 degree to VP and 25 mm away from the apex. So where is the apex, and And for the first thing we have to decide that section plane should come here or here. First thing is that is inclined to VP, section plane should come in the top view and its position is 25 mm away from the base. So this is 25 mm away from the base. Now with this the angle is given as 30 degree. So this is going to be a 30. So only a little portion of this hexagonal pyramid will be removed. I hope this is H pencil. This is H pencil. Only this small amount of portion is being removed from this hexagonal pyramid, because the angle is also small and the distance from apex is very high, very large. So see that base is here, so your sectional front view will start from here and till this point. So take these 2 points as very important, and one more point, it is touching the fifth corner here and the fifth line is here. So you will get these 3 points and these are enough for taking the sectioning. And I will take now the H pencil, because I know the portion where it is sectioned. This all portion will appear in the front view, because only this portion is removed. For this and the hatching lines, so this completes our question number 13. This is your section plane. It's cutting this portion has been removed.
So this is the final solution of example 13, hexagonal pyramid directly resting with its base on HP, the cutting plane being inclined to VP. This angle is 30 degree. It's not mentioned here. You can observe this angle is 30 degree.